The mausoleum of the first emperor of Qin is the largest royal tomb with the richest funerary offerings in Chinese history. From 2001 to 2003, a total of 46 life-size painted bronze waterfalls was unearthed from the pit K0007. The bronze waterfalls include 20 swans, 20 geese, and 6 cranes. The pit was located more than 900 meters northeast beyond the outer wall of the mausoleum. The bronze waterfall constitute the earliest and largest collection of polychrome bronze sculptures ever discovered in China. When first excavated, these waterfalls were damaged and heavily corroded due to long-time exposure to high humidity underground environments and human interference. For the conservation and technical study of the bronze waterfall, a collaboration project was formed between the Shaanxi Academy of Archaeology, the Emperor Qin Shihuang's Mausoleum Site Museum, the Romano-Germanic Central Museum, and the University Science and Technology Beijing. Based on preliminary scientific analysis, surface cleaning, stabilization of harmful corrosion, and surface consolidation have been performed. Concurrent with restoration efforts, we employed multiple scientific analyses to investigate the features of the manufacturing technology. Our research revealed: first, this bronze waterfall was cast using copper-tin binary alloy containing about 10% tin. This composition was fundamentally different from the bronze artifact dated to the Eastern Zhou dynasty and unearthed from other sites in China. The selection of such material might be influenced by imperial power of the first emperor of Qin and was aligned with the mausoleum's design philosophy of supreme imperial authority. Second, this bronze waterfall shared identical mineral origins with bronze artifacts in early period of the Qin state, but were completely different from the bronze artifacts during Western Zhou dynasty. The copper ores used in this bronze waterfall likely originated from the Qinling mountain. Third, the surface of the bronze waterfall was decorated with pigments. Swans and cranes were adorned with bone white pigments, while geese were adorned with carbon black pigments. The ancients employed both flat wash and relief painting techniques to depict feather textures. This polychrome decoration not only concealed casting defects and repair marks on the surface of copper body, but also enhanced the sense of realism in detail. Most remarkably, casting techniques such as bronze joints in neck parts, inlaid bronze patches for surface repairing, strips and brush marks on inner surface, corrosions and chiplets are rare or even not found in traditional Chinese mold casting bronze, but show striking similarities with casting techniques for bronze sculptures from ancient Egypt, ancient Greece, and ancient Rome. Thus, we thought the casting techniques of this bronze waterfall was influenced by the Western bronze casting techniques.